is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with yet another video. And today we got some beer pack heat, as you can tell by the title of this video. Without further ado, let's get into this one. So if y'all been here already, y'all already know what's next. Right now we about to get into the fit of the day. And as y'all can see on my head, we got a nice black icy on. Shout out to Straight Cap for fitting me with this. Peep the Fitted Till Infinity pen. Man, like the accents of cyan blue and silver metallic stitching on here is crazy. You see why they call it a black icy, that black. And you see why they call it a black icy. We got that nice baby blue brown, black all around. Still that battery, you know, so we got some hints of blue up in there. Black button. Man, it's a super clean hat. Next we get into the vibes for the day, you know what I'm saying? You already know what we got. I'm buying something new tomorrow. I saw this very cool minimalistic candle at work, so I'm gonna cop that. But the vibes for the day, we got that pink apple punch, you know what I'm saying? Was that it? Yo. That pink apple punch. Get the vibes going. Positive energy for a good day and a good video. You already know the vibes. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so boom. As y'all know, the beer pack is one of Hat Club's most coveted drops. One of them. It's one of them. I remember last year when I started collecting and this collection dropped, I tried to get that two-tone Milwaukee Brewers that they did not bring back. Y'all know the one, the off-white and the blue with the Milwaukee Brewers script on there. Yeah, that was one of my grails, like for real. And I was on the website on time and everything. It just sold out too quick. I just wasn't quick enough. But then I saw this particular hat. Other stores did it, and I seen it. I was like, man, that's a pretty clean hat. And so whatever, it came out during the drop, so I went ahead and scooped it up. While I was at work. I thought I wasn't gonna be scheduled this day, but I was at work and tried to cop it. I did. The Wi-Fi was slow. It put me in a waiting queue. I thought I wasn't gonna get this hat at all. I thought I was gonna have to pay resale. But it was so many hats in this collection that I really wanted. Like the two-tone Mariners, amazing. The two-tone Diamondbacks, that gray and that olive green, amazing. And that Oakland Athletics that was pink with the yellow A's on there, chef's kiss. But I could only pick one, so I picked my favorite one out of the entire drop. So without further ado, we about to open this bad boy up, and y'all finna see which one I'm about to open it up. You probably gonna see in a thumbnail which hat it is. You can probably tell right now which hat it is. But let's open this bad boy up. Close that. Open this. I wonder if it came with that pen that was on there. Get out literature. Wow. Did they print my thing on the which one? I'm looking at my paper, but I always check my stuff to make sure everything is correct. So everything correct, but we don't need that. Dang, it didn't come with the pen. I guess that was only for like the in-person drops. That was in Houston. But regular Hat Club pen, it fit a focus. Oh my goodness, bro. Come on now. We were doing so good. Regular Hat Club pen, y'all already know the vibes. But boom, without further ado. Boom. Boom. Why didn't that focus? But we have the Hat Club Coors Light beer pack collection. Colorado Rockies. Amazing. I don't have a gray hat, so this will be my first gray hat, which is another reason why I got it. Super clean. But let's get into the details of this. Alright. So this cap gotta be one of the cleanest Rockies out. Gotta be. This is my first time actually getting a 20th anniversary patch. All my Rockies got the 25th, so I needed this patch in my collection. Super clean. Still supposed to be the mountains, you know what I'm saying? Still got the hits of cyan blue with that red up in there. Then we got that baby blue right on the mountain logo with the red baseball. Man. Great New Era flag with the black and blue. What's that gray? Like a slate gray and blue. Batterman, flat Batterman. Gray button at the top, white sweatband, royal blue undervisor. Super clean, man. And where is this from? Bangladesh. But we about to get this bad boy. Y'all already knew what I do first. So basically, we're gonna take this few number right here. We got the CPU and everything. We're gonna flick that because we don't need it no more. That's not the sticker that we keep. I take off this sticker and I put it on the inside. And I do the same thing with my little baseball sticker. Same place. Boom. Next, what you're gonna wanna do, take your bottle, get your hat, and hold it around the bottle. The hold and mold method with the water bottle. I'll be telling y'all how you get the perfect curve every time. Alright, so after you held that for about 30 to 60 seconds, however long you want to hold it, you should be left with something like this. Now I went ahead and I put some pins on it for y'all. Y'all already know the vibes. We got that made by Eric pen. Right on the mountains on the 20th anniversary patch. Then we got my guy Fitted Till Infinity. Right on the back here. I wish it zoomed in closer, like. Oh, and it's a Bangladesh, so it should fit pretty good. And it does. See, I like when Bangladesh's fit like this. Like this one, it fits a little smaller, and it's a 7.5. But it just fits a little smaller. I don't know why. But yeah, this is a super clean fitted. Wait, but before we end this video, we can never forget. We gotta crep this bad boy for any and all conditions. Let's get to it. It's gonna protect it from literally any stain and water. You know the vibes. You can't go out without crepping your fitted. Make sure you crep your fitted. And I got this on my camera lens. No, I didn't. But yeah. Comment down below what was your favorite hat from this Hat Club beer pack drop. Y'all know what mine was. Which one did you take home? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications. We are going up. And I think I am going to do a giveaway on my Liz hat drop Chicago White Sox size 7.5. Let me know. Comment below if y'all want me to give that hat away. I really wasn't feeling it too much. I'm gonna drop a video. I wasn't a real big fan of the collection, so I'm thinking about giving it away. That might be the giveaway. So comment below if y'all want to see that. Comment below if I should give it away, and then we gonna see where we go from there. But thank y'all for tapping in. This has been another episode with your boy Dalen the GOAT. With that being said, peace.